Hey everyone, Dr. Derek Gatta, board certified prosthodontist. Happy to have you here today and really excited you found us here at Innovative Dental Aesthetics. So my journey to dentistry started actually when I was a small child. I had an accident where I chipped my front tooth on a patch of ice. I was playing around with some friends and took a dive and broke my front tooth. And as a 9-year-old kid, it was pretty traumatic. Had to go to a dentist, and luckily I got conservative care where they didn't have to do anything too aggressive. They did a conservative bonding composite, which was great and has lasted me many years. I also lacked confidence in terms of my teeth alignment. I had crooked teeth. It was really a big source of disappointment for me as I was going through adolescence and my teenage years. And luckily I had the opportunity to get that corrected in orthodontics. And so I had my teeth leveled and aligned and straightened, and it really allowed me to kind of blossom and reach my full potential. I think that's the power of a smile. When you don't feel confident in your smile, it takes you out of those moments in life that are so important, usually socializing around friends, family, and eating. So that really led me to try and learn the skills necessary to give that good feeling back to others and inspire their lives. So that led me to dentistry. And here at Innovative Dental Aesthetics, when you first walk in the door, you're going to feel a warm, relaxing environment. We really want to make sure that you're at ease and it's peaceful, because it's a very stressful situation for a lot of people thinking about the dentist and getting work done. It's a very anxiety-provoking thought process for most people, and we realize that, and we really want to just kind of take the burden off of that and just let you feel at ease and create a home-like atmosphere, so that way we can really talk about what's important to you and what you're looking for.